Hey loves, it's your girl Kiki and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to be doing some bob knotless box braids, and we're going to be doing it in this beautiful ombre burgundy color. Before we get started, I want to give a huge thank you to Latched and Hook for sponsoring this video. You guys make sure you check them out. I will make sure to link all of Latched and Hook's information down below. So my hair has grown quite a bit since the last time I did some bob knotless box braids. So these will be a little longer, but they will be a bob nonetheless. If your hair is a little longer, I'm sure you can achieve this style. Just make sure that you're braiding at least an inch below your hair so that you are not cutting your natural hair when you do the style. So the hair that we are using today is Latched and Hook's non-stretched two-tone braiding hair in the color Wine O'Clock. I use 6 packs to achieve this look. I have 42 braids and I use 4 pieces per braid. So y'all know I love Latched and Hook's hair. I've used them a few times on this channel already, so I'm so excited to be partnering with them to create this video. Latched and Hook is Black woman owned. You guys know I'm always here to support, especially when it comes to hair products. For us specifically, I have so much more trust when it's coming from someone who looks like me, who has hair like me. And y'all, I also want to add how much I love the texture of this hair. It reminds me of blown out natural hair. And also a huge plus, this hair is non-toxic. You can install it directly out the pack. You don't have to soak it in apple cider vinegar or anything before you install. And yeah. Oh, and also Latched and Hook has so many other things. They don't only have braiding hair. They have tons of crochet hair as well. They have wigs. They have braiding hat. Like, you guys, when you have time, make sure you check out the website. It is linked down below. And yeah, just let me know what you think. Let me know if you see anything on there. If you see a color that you really want to try but you're nervous and you want me to try it for you, let me know down below and I will get it and I will try it for you, girl. I got you. So this will not be a talk through tutorial. If you need a more in-depth how-to, I will make sure to leave a few of my videos down below for you. And yeah, just sit back, relax, enjoy the video. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave one down below. And yeah, I will be back when I'm done braiding. All right, love, so we are all done braiding, and this style took me about 6 hours. I am going to cut all the excess hair off right below the rubber band. Now you can stop here and just leave the rubber band there, but I'm actually going to burn it because I like that look a little more. But please do what you like. If you like the rubber band, you can leave it. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you on this last piece how I burn it with the lighter. Please be careful. I know it looks a little dangerous there, but don't worry, I got it. I've been doing this for years, y'all. Okay. But yeah, I just burned the end, and then I went to dip my hair in hot water off camera, and this is the finished look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Again, I want to give a huge thank you to Latched and Hooked. Thank you so much for sponsoring this video. Y'all are dope, and I love your hair. So yeah, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please make sure you do. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Again, all of Latched and Hooked's information will be down below in the description box. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you always, and until next time, take care, stay safe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.